Hi, friends. Today we will discuss a very important chapter, that is yoga. Even among doctors and in the Western world, yoga has grown in popularity during the past several years. Yoga is renowned as a superb kind of exercise that, through the use of meditation, positions or asanas, and controlled breathing, unites the mind, spirit, and body. The Vedic age gave rise to yogic science, and its many practices have significantly improved the health and well-being of many generations of people. Yoga is a crucial tool for our well-being in the modern world, when our lives are becoming more and more hectic, stressful, and competitive. One of the important chapters or tool in yoga is chanting a mantra. Your life and the way you live it are affected by positivity. A pessimist will never be fully well since they constantly draw tension, negativity, and sadness because they only see the bad. The word Om is one of the most powerful mantras since it is the root of all spiritual knowledge. Mantras are a terrific way to cultivate a positive outlook in life. While meditating, reciting Om sends sound vibrations throughout the body, which promotes relaxation and a pleasant outlook. Please at least listen to the following video while doing your yoga or normal household work, and after 15 days it will definitely change your mental state and positive changes will occur in your life. Please subscribe, share and like our channel videos if you find positive changes in your well-being. Thank you. Keep watching the complete video as we will provide all information and benefits of chanting this mantra on regular basis during the video till the end. Chanting the Om mantra purifies your surroundings and generates uplifting vibes. When you recite this, all-encompassing hymn, your attention span gets better. Om chanting increases your capacity for self-healing and immunity. Your focus and concentration are enhanced by it. Your vocal cords and sinuses pick up on the vibration and sound created by the Om chanting. The sinuses are opened by the vibrations, clearing the airways. You may enter a deep state of relaxation known as meditation. Wherever the Om's vibrations travel, it helps not only the person saying it but also those who are nearby. The Om mantra provides health advantages for the heart since it helps us to unwind mentally and physically, which lowers blood pressure and promotes regular heartbeat. Om chanting strengthens your vocal cords and the muscles that surround them, which enhances your voice. This is especially beneficial as people age. It is said that activating or healing various bodily parts can be accomplished by rubbing your hands together while reciting the Om. You can better manage your emotions through chanting and meditation, enabling you to think clearly and rationally about events. Daily chanting gains control over your feelings, enabling you to think clearly and logically about situations. If you regularly say this mantra for a longer period of time, it will lead you on a spiritual path to more happiness and optimism. Mantras don't solve your problems instantly, you need to be patient and practice the right methods. The effects of chanting the Om mantra in a group are magnified, and this creates incredibly powerful positive vibrations that energize the entire area. In our experience, Om can even assist with skin cleansing. Chanting the mantra on a regular basis results in tremendous amounts of internal good energy and a cleaned aura, both of which are reflected externally as a radiant glow on your face and body. Vibrations created by the sound strengthen your spinal cord. As this sound is produced from the abdomen, it aids in bolstering the spinal cord supporting muscles. Vocal cords produce the sound, which is good for the throat and thyroid glands. Your eyesight will start to get better if you chant while gazing at the spiritual eye. Additionally, there are certain rules for chanting Om. It is recommended to recite the holy syllable for at least 21 minutes each morning. It is suggested that you finish it before starting your daily chores. The vibrations of Om can go deep throughout the body and have the greatest impact when chanted in the early morning. People's health and sleep patterns are impacted by stress and busy lifestyles. However, those who chant Om and meditate before bed can sleep more soundly. Gradually, sleep rhythms become regular, and the quality rises. These are only some of the advantages of using the Om mantra. You must practice and feel the experience of chanting Om in order to reap its full rewards. There is no right or incorrect method to meditate or recite the mantra Om. However, 108 repetitions is considered to be the optimum number. Om has beneficial effects on the body. At its loudness, it causes the rib cage to shake, as well as the interior of the body. The deep exhalation that comes before it helps the lungs open fully. All the air in the lungs is expelled while breathing. These frequently have stale air in them. Yoga and the chanting of Om are consequently recommended as ways to ventilate and purify oneself, ideally in a well-ventilated environment. According to a Harvard study, chanting Om can enhance bowel health and reduce the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. According to the study, people who experienced the relaxation response experienced fewer symptoms, less anxiety, and greater quality of life. Since chanting Om is a classic meditation technique, it can also help you unwind. The chakras in the human body are connected to Om. From the bottom of the spine to the top of the head, the body's primary chakras are situated. These chakras are like energy centers that respond positively to the Om's effect by igniting internal energies and restoring the body's natural energy balance. This chant is effective at lowering activity in the limbic system, the area of the brain connected to stress and emotions, according to a study published in the NCBI. Researchers discovered that incantation soothes the brain, which could lessen stress by watching brain activity. According to a different study, it can be used to treat depression. Endorphins, which make you feel calm and revived, are released when you practice Om meditation. Additionally, it lowers adrenaline levels, which frequently cause tension. In other words, this meditation assists in hormone balancing and mood stabilization. Thanks for watching and giving your valuable time. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to keep our motivation going. Cheers.